Hey guys, in this video I'll be rebuilding this wiring harness. As you can see, I got all new loom on it. This video is going to be mostly time-lapse because it took a couple hours to get this done. So I went ahead and replaced all of the old loom and got it all bundled up, and I went through and I checked the wires for cuts and whatnot. So yeah, now I'm just gonna clean up these connectors. Probably should have done that before, but I'll just clean them up a little bit. Most of the connectors are really good shape on the inside. They're just a little dirty on the outside, so it's not a big deal. But yeah, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Just went to the parts store and picked up some loom, 3 different sizes, so hopefully that'll be all I need. And a roll of electric tape. Alright, I went through and took pictures of all locations of these little clips. So I'll be removing them carefully. To remove these, you just kind of get in here and pry this little tab. Okay, so I'm going to start on one end and just move down the loom, pull these clips off, and then reinstall them so nothing gets confusing. got it all wrapped up. So normally you don't have to go through and cover the loom up with tape. I went ahead and did because this loom, it's a Dorman loom, it didn't feel right. It was kind of like, it's not very stiff, it's pretty thin. It was kind of opening up, so I just went ahead and taped it up. This one right here is not Dorman, the 1/4 inch stuff. Basically, the parts store, O'Reilly's, had this in big rolls and they sold it to me by the foot. This felt a lot better. I wish I would have bought all of them by the foot. I didn't realize they sold it that way. I just bought a few of these and then bought this later on. Alright, so as you've seen in the video, the way I installed this, that's kind of the easiest way I found. You just kind of hold the connector and just start in the beginning here and just push it on, kind of creating this forward and inserting it at the same time and just pushing it along. That's the easiest way I found it. Maybe there's easier ways, I don't know. But either way, I got it all wrapped up, and that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.